In this video, we're actually going to go ahead and create the website. And specifically what we're going to do is create our website using the latest template for React and Redux. This is the whole reason that we upgraded to ASP.NET 2.1.400 SDK. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into a demo and I'll show you how to create the website. So to start our demo, we'll open up Visual Studio, which you can see I've done here. Then we'll just go to File, New, and Project. And you can see I'm already in the Visual C# section of the tree, and I'm in the Web section. And we want to select ASP.NET Core Web Application. You can see I'm storing mine in the Projects directory on the C drive, so you'll want to find some place that makes sense to you. And then we're going to name our project Villainy, because we're going to be creating a little bit of a social website for supervillains, because supervillains need friends too. It's just so hard for them to find them while they're off making schemes and planning villainy, so we're going to help them out a little bit. Now we're going to click OK, and we'll let this create our application, but of course it does have a few questions it has to ask. First, up at the top of this dialog, you see it's asking if we want .NET Core or .NET Framework. We'll take .NET Core. Then you can see it's asking if we want ASP.NET Core 2.0 or 2.1. We'll take 2.1. Then in the box, it's asking us what kind of application we want. Empty, API, web app, Razor class library, which is brand new to ASP.NET Core 2.1.400. Then we've got Angular, React, and React.js and Redux. And that's what we're going to go with, is React.js and Redux. We'll leave everything else as the default and click OK. And once that's finished creating our project, I will resume recording. So that has finished creating our new web app for us. And you notice we have a number of folders over there in Solution Explorer. And you may notice my Solution Explorer looks a little different. That's because you can move these windows around, and I've put properties to the left, or to the right rather, of Solution Explorer. But here in Solution Explorer, we have the Client App folder, and underneath the Client App folder, you can see we have Public and Source. We're going to go with Source, and this is where we're going to be doing a lot of our work. We'll be creating a number of components in the Components folder. We'll work a bit with the Store folder and configuring the store in it. We'll work with app and index.js files, but the one we want to look at right now is package.json. And if I open that up, you can see it sets a few things for us: name, version, whether or not it's private. But it's also got some dependencies, and there are some slightly older dependencies that we're going to be upgrading in the next few modules. The first one is Bootstrap. That's at 3.3.7. We're going to update that. We're going to update React, which currently is set at 16.0.0, and React DOM, also set at 16.0.0. And then a little further down, you notice on line 15, we have Redux set at 3.7.2. We're going to be updating that as well. So we've got website, a little bit of an outdated website, even though it is brand new, but we are going to bring that up to date in the next few modules. So that's all there is to getting the project crafted and underway. Let's jump back into our slides and get a brief demo of what we've just gone through. So just a quick summary of what we've done in this short video. First, we created a website using the very latest React and Redux template, which we got when we installed the ASP.NET Core 2.1.400 SDK earlier on. Then we found out that it's actually using some slightly outdated React and Redux and Bootstrap. So some things that we're going to update as we go through our remaining videos and sections. In fact, our next section is titled Upgrading to React 16. And we're actually going to upgrade our website to React 16.4.2 at the time of this writing. So I look forward to having you in our next video where we upgrade to React 16.4.